At the ball field, we're really going to have a few items that are only exclusive to the ball fields. Counter service version of our chicken and waffles. So as a native New Yorker, super excited to be here with the Mets.
Our mission is really kind of spread this Hong Kong style egg waffles that are typically sold in Asian communities, and we want to bring it to like a broader audience. And then these are served with 3 different types of ice cream paired with various different toppings, and this one that we have here is like a French toast crunch.